Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I am going to show you how to delete your Google Chat account, as well as the safer alternative if you just want to get rid of the app. Let us get straight into it. To start, you need to know one crucial fact. Google Chat is not a standalone service. It is permanently tied to your main Google account. This means there is no delete chat button. The only way to permanently delete your Google Chat data is to delete your entire Google account. If you are absolutely sure you want to do this, here is how. Open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. On the left side menu, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the section called More Options. Click on Delete your Google account. Google will ask you to enter your password to confirm it is you. Please listen carefully. If you proceed and click delete, you will lose everything. Your Gmail, your Google Drive files, your YouTube account, and all your photos will be permanently erased along with your Google Chat. Because of this extreme result, most people do not actually want to delete their whole account. They just want Google Chat to go away. If you simply want to stop using chat and remove it from your screen, the best method is to disable it. To do this on your computer, open Gmail. Click the settings gear icon in the top right, then click See All Settings. Click the Chat and Meet tab at the top. Next to the chat section, select Off, and then click Save Changes at the bottom. The chat interface is now completely gone. If you use the Gmail app on your phone, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left, go to Settings, tap your email address, and uncheck the box next to Chat. You have now successfully removed Google Chat without losing all your important Google data. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.